Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 13.2 question number 3. So see children, exercise 13.2 question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long and inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter and outer being 4.4 centimeter. And our question is find inner curved surface area, second outer curved surface area, and third total surface area. So see children, here in a given question, one metal pipe is 77 centimeter long is given to us and inner diameter 4 centimeter given and outer diameter 4.4 centimeter is given to us, and we have to identify inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area, and this figure is given to us. So first we will identify inner curved surface area, second we can identify outer curved surface area, and last we can identify total surface area. How we can identify total surface area? So to identify total surface area, we will do sum of inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and area of circular ring which is available upside and downside. To find total surface area, we will identify area of the circular ring upside and downside, and this area of circular ring upside and downside we will add inner surface area and outer surface area. So first we will identify question number 1, inner surface area. So see children, answer 1 for inner cylinder. Now see children, inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we will identify inner curved surface area. We know the formula to identify inner curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. So see children, 2 and R. 2R is means what? Diameter. 2 multiply R is diameter. So instead of 2 and R, we can write D. So our formula is total curved surface area is pi dH. So if diameter is given to us and we have to identify curved surface area, then formula is what? Pi dH. So our formula is pi dH. If you want to identify curved surface area and directly if you want to use diameter, then we can use formula pi dH. And if radius is given, then we can use 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is the formula to identify curved surface area if radius is given. And if diameter is given, then we can use formula pi dH. So see children, now inner curved surface area, here diameter is given, so we will use curved surface area, formula is pi dH. So pi means 22 by 7 multiply D. D means inner diameter 4 centimeter, then multiply H. H is what given to us? Height or length of the pipe is 77. So it's 77 we can write here. So pi means 22 by 7, D diameter 4, and H height or length 77 centimeter. Here cancellation is possible. 7 1 ja 7 and 11 7 ja 77. Now 22 multiply 4 multiply 11. 22 4 ja 88. Then this multiply 11 and downside 1. Now 88 multiply 11. Its answer is 968. Its answer is 968 centimeter square. So inner surface area of the pipe is 968 centimeter square. Now we will identify outer surface area of the pipe. So for outer cylinder, outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter given to us in a question. See, outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter is given to us. So outer curved surface area is equal to pi dH. Why we are using pi dH formula? Because here directly diameter given, so we cannot use 2 pi RH. Here we will use outer curved surface area is equal to pi dH. So see children, outer curved surface area is equal to pi. Pi means 22 by 7 multiply D. D means 4.4 multiply H means what? Height 77. Now see children, this 22 by 7 multiply 4.4, so 44 by 10 multiply 77. So pi means 22 by 7, diameter D 4.4 centimeter, h height 77 centimeter. Now see 7 1 ja 7, 7 11 ja 77. Now see children, 22 multiply 44 multiply 11, its answer is 10648 divided by 10. 22 multiply 44 multiply 11, its answer is 10648 divided by 10. So its final answer is 1064.8 centimeter square. So area of outer cylinder is 1064.8 centimeter square. Now we will identify third, total surface area. To identify total surface area, first we will identify area of the both circular ring, because one circular ring is available here and second circular ring is available downside. So see children, total surface area also include area of two circular ring at the ends with inner and outer surface area. So see children, outer diameter is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So outer radius is equal to 4.4 divided by 2. So 2.2 centimeter. Same way we can identify inner radius. So inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. So outer radius is equal to, inner radius is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. So outer radius is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Inner radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we will identify area of the one circular ring. To identify area of the one circular ring, its formula is area of one circular ring is equal to pi in the bracket r square minus r square. This capital R is the radius of the outer circular ring and small r is the radius of the inner circular ring. So see children, here outer radius is 2.2 and inner radius is 2 centimeter. So pi is equal to r square minus r. So it is the outer radius and it is the inner radius. Capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. So area of one circular ring is equal to pi in the bracket r square minus r square. Pi means 22 by 7, bracket then bracket r. Capital R is the outer radius and it is 2.2. So 2.2 square minus then minus. Small r is what? Inner radius. So inner radius is what? 2 centimeter. So we can write here 2 square. This outer radius is r. So this is r and this is small r. Outer radius is capital R and small r is the inner radius. So r is 2.2 square. It is outer radius minus then minus and small r is the inner radius. So it is 2 square. Now 22 by 7, 2.2 square. Its answer is 4.84 minus then minus 2 square means 2 2s are 4. So 22 by 7, 4.84 minus 4. Its answer is what? 0.84. Now 22 by 7 multiply 0.84. Its answer is what? 2.64 centimeter square. 2.64 centimeter square. It is the area of the one circular ring. And we have to find area of two circular ring, because one circular ring is here and one circular ring is here. So area of one circular ring is equal to 2.64 centimeter square. Then area of two circular ring means 2.64 centimeter square. We have to multiply with 2. So area of two circular ring is equal to 2 multiply 2.64 and 2 multiply 2.64. Its answer is 5.28 centimeter square. So area of two circular ring is equal to 5.28 centimeter square. Now we will identify total surface area of the pipe. So total surface area of the pipe is equal to inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area plus area of two ring. So this is outer surface area, inner surface area and area of two ring, one upside and one downside. So total surface area is equal to inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area is what? 968. So here I can write 968 plus then plus. Outer curved surface area, we identify 1064.8. So 1064.8 plus then plus. Area of two ring. So area of two ring is equal to 5.28 centimeter square. So 5.28. Now total surface area is equal to 968 plus 1064.8 plus 5.28. Its answer is 2038.08 centimeter square. So total surface area is 2038.08 centimeter square. So see children, our final answer is inner surface area is 968 centimeter square, outer surface area is 1064.8 centimeter square, and total surface area is equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. So see children, this is the normal explanation of exercise 13.2 question number 3. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.